Hey y'all, so today I'm going to talk to you a little more about radiation. So I'm going to start off with asking you the question, what is radiation? So maybe whenever I say that word radiation, an explosion would have come to your mind, or maybe an x-ray would have came to your mind, or even maybe a rainbow if y'all have a little more knowledge on it. The truth is, you're right, all of those are radiation. But something that most people don't think of is that there's two different types of radiation. You have an electromagnetic radiation and then you have a nuclear radiation. So electromagnetic radiation is whenever you have basically atoms that come through into the same exact space and they move, and the more that they move, the bigger the wave, and the bigger the wave means the more energy. And so the thing is that this is just pure energy. And then you have to think about a scale of whether you have to think about how much it is and where it's bad and where it's good. So with electromagnetic radiation, you have to think about the scale that we got taught inside of high school, or maybe we're just watching videos. You have the left side that is your lower end, and you have your right side, which is your higher end. On the left side means, again, it's gonna be lower. An example would be like a microwave, a radio, or a visible light. And on the higher end, you have ultraviolet rays, you have gamma rays, and then you have x-rays. So when you think about it, we really do use radiation all the time. We're exposed to it at almost every point of the day. And an example of this would be, so say that your teacher ended up sending you like a picture through email. So whenever she sends you the picture and you're downloading it to your phone, she's using radiation then. Then whenever you're looking at it, you're using more radiation, you're exposed to it once again because of the visible light. So basically, that's it for your electromagnetic radiation. But then you move on to your nuclear radiation. Nuclear radiation, it starts in an atomic nucleus, and it's basically whenever protons repel against each other. And that's not bad, but there's two different types of times that it can happen. So you can have when your protons are together and they're repelling against each other, or then you can have whenever you have your neutrons and your protons and they're repelling against each other. And that's whenever it can start getting bad. I say this because they become unstable. Whenever it becomes unstable, then you get into an ionizing situation. So think back to the word of ion. And ion is ionizing radiation. And that's basically whenever an atom has lost or gained, atoms. And so this is when any type of x-rays or anything, they can happen. And that's why whenever you go to a doctor, they'll put like a cover over the top of you. They do this because they're protecting your body, that they don't need to look at from this. So the reason why I really want to talk to you about this is because, again, we use this every single day of our lives, and I feel like most of us, if we're younger, or just not exposed to it at every point of the day, like getting the knowledge of it, then we don't know whether it's good or bad. So I just want to give you all a little more knowledge about this and just be aware that, yes, your phone is using radiation, but no, that's not bad. But whenever you can go and get x-rays done, just be a little more aware of your surroundings. So that's it.